Hello! It's me again. Welcome to borzchannel. Today I am going to cook a simple and easy delicious dish that everyone should love. Let me share this recipe with you, which is Sinabawang pork chop. And here are the ingredients. 1 kilo pork chop, 2 medium potatoes, 1 medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, a pinch of MSG, 4 glasses of water, 3 milliliters of cooking oil. And here's the process on how to cook it. Minced 4 cloves of garlic. By cutting or crushing the garlic, it will release the allicin compound. Garlic has a pungent smell of an organic sulfur compound known as allicin. Chop 1 medium of onion. Onions are loaded with plant chemicals, including flavonoids that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Peel and slice 2 medium size of potatoes. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is one of the antioxidants. And this is the cooking procedure. Heat the oil in a cooking pan over a medium-high heat. Add onion and garlic. Cook until softened and brown. Put the pork chop in the cooking pan. Stir and cook until it turns light brown. Cover and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Season with pepper, salt and MSG to taste. Continue to stir. Let it simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Add 4 glasses of water. By adding water, it allows more cooking time for the pork to become tender, and also it helps to bring the flavors of the ingredients together. Pour the soy sauce and let it boil. Add potatoes and cook until tender, and cover for another 3 to 5 minutes. Taste the cooked food to see if it is salty or not, so you can add what else should be added. But I think it tastes good now. Bring to a boil for another 8 to 10 minutes. Continue to stir. Use a fork to see if the pork is already tender. And it's done. It's plating time. Share and enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.